Welcome back. The Queen's Platinum Jubilee year will get off to a rocky start with Prince Andrew once again in the spotlight. The Royals' lawyers set to front Virginia Giuffre's civil lawsuit pursuing allegations of sexual abuse after the criminal case against the Prince was thrown out.
Royal commentator Camilla Tominey joins us now from London. Thanks, Camilla. A bit of a dark start to what should be a very celebratory 70th reigning year for Her Majesty.
Well, exactly, Dickie. Yeah, this is unfortunate, but it has overshadowed really not just the last few years, but the last decade, this ongoing saga of the Duke of York's relationship with Jeffrey Epstein and the allegations that have been more recently made again by Virginia Giuffre. And there has been a change in the Duke of York's approach to this. He had been rather silent, laying low, hoping that the whole thing would go away. Now he's employed Andrew Brettler, this American lawyer who's been a bit more of an attack dog, taken the fight to Virginia Giuffre and basically challenged what she said. At this stage, it remains quite she said, he said, but the idea that this is overshadowing the royal family, and equally, as you say, in her Platinum Jubilee year, a time for celebration, you've also got the Queen funding these expensive lawyers. And you have to ask yourself, even if he's legally exonerated, the stench around this scandal will linger for years. He's already been found guilty of a gross error of judgment in maintaining his friendship with Epstein. So I'd say there's still a long road to recovery as far as his reputation is concerned.
100%.
Yeah, you've got to feel for the Queen, who also had that recent health scare. She flew to Sandringham via helicopter after being cleared by her doctors. She's since been seen enjoying a drive around the estate. Is she fighting fit again?
Yeah, I mean, it's good to see her, isn't it? Head scarfed up and at the wheel of her car once more. She's always been very independent. And I think there was just this concern that post-pandemic, I think it's fair to say she hated lockdown. Literally, she wanted to be back amongst it. She got quite overexcited when things opened up over in the UK and overdid it a bit and did too much. I think it's less of a health issue for the Queen at 95 and more of a mobility issue. And we were given evidence for that when she was handed a walking stick. That made headline news is kind of preposterous. Right? She's 5 years off her 100th birthday and she's only just started using a walking stick. So I think, fingers crossed, she's made a good recovery and she's doing well.
She is incredible, isn't she? It's also her first Christmas without Prince Philip, which will make it a fairly sombre celebration for the royals, I would have thought.
Well, really sombre, and of course, no chance probably of Harry and Meghan coming over for Christmas either. We still don't know whether they're going to come over for the Platinum Jubilee. Having said that, I think it's been written and well documented that Prince Philip and the Queen kind of had a bit of a deal. They basically agreed that whoever passed away first should just let the other live their life. So the Duke of Edinburgh said to the Queen, I don't want you to be in mourning. I don't want you to be wearing black like Queen Victoria. Just enjoy the rest of your life. And actually, he wouldn't want people to be sad at Sandringham at Christmas. So I'm sure the royals will all be rallying around her. But of course, as we all know, if we've lost loved ones, that is a poignant moment for people, isn't it, when they're grieving?
Yeah.
It sure is. Camilla, thank you for all of that. We appreciate your time.